This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Darcy Guethlein. 5-bedroom, 3-bath custom-built home, by Stephen Alexander. Quiet backyard with a 20 by 40 featuring saltwater pool just waiting for you. Bright, open, airy floor plan with loads of windows. Windows have ultraviolet for sun protection. Huge primary suite with vaulted ceiling and multiple closets. First floor bedroom. Interior millwork finishing throughout, new custom front door, flooring and freshly painted. Hardie plank siding, huge back deck, organic garden, fruit trees, palms, and ornamental trees. For more information, review the details below.